What's up guys, VeryCoolAlan with another video, and today we're gonna be looking at the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, unboxing the hell out of it. Let's get started. Alright, so we just take out the box, little Samsung thing right there, and here it is. Here is the phone. You can see it in all its glory. It's actually upside down, so let me go ahead and get it out of the box. Fingerprint magnet, but it's the Aura Glow. Look at that. Razer phone. Look at that. So we got some lotion, got some Armor All box cutter. Oh yeah, great. Turn it on, and you're prompted with all this stuff, but it's not important. There's the phone again. Cool. Then we're just prompted with charger. Wow, the lighting on this phone sucks. There, charger, the earbuds, and that should be it. And the cable. I think the camera on this phone can't really detect the light because this thing's probably distracting it, and then the light above is distracting it, and it's like, I don't know what to do. But there's that. AKG earbuds and the charger. This is the Note 10 Plus, 256 gig, 12 gig of RAM, Aura Glow. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.